My tamamo, my tamamo. Alugo. Yeah. I woke up this morning and I was thinking about you.
You make me want to blush. Stop it.
My love. Hey, see, Aisha, Aisha, I have made up my mind to come to your place to marry you.
Are you serious?
Aisha.
Now, yeah.
The love I have for you is confirmed now. Aisha, I don't mind how many koboko they will flog me. Aisha, I'm ready to come and collect koboko because of you.
You are very serious, Odego.
The love I have for you, Aisha, koboko cannot stop it. Let them flog me. I'm ready. I'm coming to Oba to marry you. Let them flog me. I'm ready.
Finally.
I am coming to collect koboko because of you. Only for them, I will marry you. I will marry you.
My in-law, when I come there,
my in-law,
Aisha, Aisha, we're still. Aisha, we're still talking now. Where are they coming from, Aisha?
It's play, Odego Bobo.
Aisha, I forget. I have a meeting to attend. Later. Hey, you blue play. Also play. Am I the letter? Later. Oh, I have a meeting to attend. Later. Bye. And we're meeting with India one day. I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yambaba Comedian, click on subscribe, it's free. Because click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Because no, Jebese, go. We are begging you, please go.